50-liter vacuum toothpaste machine. Homogeneous motor start. Homogenizer is installed at the bottom of the pot, increasing the power of the motor more thoroughly and more powerful. It could also give full play to the effect of homogeneous for a small amount of production. Motor with strength balanced isotactic curve and accordingly stator could realize high-energy shear fluid, grinding, centrifugal, ensuring paste is exquisite, smooth. Scraper mix start. Composite scraper impeller is for all kinds of complex formula, optimizing energy efficiency. Toothpaste scraper caters to agitation of tank, scraping the pot wall efficiently. Dispersing tray disperses powdery material to make material mix more evenly. Vacuum deforming process reaches aseptic requirements of material and sucking the raw material under vacuum condition. Especially for powder material, vacuum suction is utilized to avoid the dust float. Powder pot, oil pot, water pot mix. The company produced vacuum homogenizing emulsion machine pump body and pipe surface mirror polishing 300 EMSH Sanitary, conforming to the cosmetic and the requirements of GMP